Determine the value of the following expression. So I given the expression which says which we have 2x squared plus 3y squared. If x is equal to -1 and y is equal to -2. Oh, y is equal to 2. Yesterday we spoke about this. We said, what does this mean? What does this mean? We're going to substitute. Yeah, this is what we call substitution. So we're going to come and say here, there is an x. Instead of an x, what are we going to put here? -1. We're going to put -1. And then here there's a y. What are we going to put here? 2. So look at how this thing is going to look like. It's going to look like this. We're going to have 2. Open bracket. This is where we're supposed to put the x. Yes. But it says we should square it. Plus 3 and then all squared. So what are we going to put for x? Instead of x, what are we going to put? -1. So we're going to put -1. And then instead of y, what are we going to put? 2. And then first you're going to remove the bracket. Before you multiply, you're going to remove the bracket. So it says which you have -1 all squared. -1 all squared means which you have -1 multiplied by -1. What is the negative multiplied by negative? Positive. So we're going to write the 2 first. Let's write the 2. We have the 2 multiplied by 1. How did the 1 get positive? Is negative multiplied by negative? Plus positive. Plus, we have 2 multiplied by 2. What is 2 multiplied by 2? 4. So we have 3 multiplied by 1 by 4. After that, we have 2 multiplied by 1. It's 2. We have 3 multiplied by 4. No. What is 2 plus 12? 14. So for this one, I'm going to get 1. So I'm going to give you a mark for the substitution, and then I'm also going to give you a mark for the what? For the ands. With 3.2, what did I say? What are we doing here with 3.2? We are supposed to add. Keyword, they say add this to this. We are not multiplying. I've seen others, they were multiplying. We are not multiplying because they said add this person with this person. So you're going to check here. Do you have like terms? Yes. I'm going to group the like terms together. Yes. What are your like terms that you have? So we have -3m squared. It goes with who? 6. So it's -6m squared. We're done with that one. Yes. Do we have any other like terms apart from this one? Yes. What do we have? 11p cubed. It goes with who? Plus 5p cubed. Yes. Okay. Do we have another one? Yes. We have what? -5. It goes with? -5. Remember, if the signs are the same, we add and then we take the bigger sign. In this case, you have 3 plus 6. What is 3 plus 6? 9. It's 9. And then which sign are we going to take? Which sign are we going to take? Negative. So I'm going to have -9m squared. Next. Plus 11. Minus and the positive. If you have a negative and a positive, you subtract, and then you take the sign of a bigger number. So you have 11 minus 5. What is 11 minus 5? 6. It's 6. And then we have p cubed. Which sign are we going to take? Positive or negative? We take minus. And then we have a negative and a negative. If the signs are the same, we add. And then we take that sign. Minus and a minus, what are we going to get? I mean,
minus.
We are not multiplying them. We say we have a negative and a negative, then means the signs are the same, we are adding. So we're going to have -10. So you're going to get 1, 2, 3. Homework.